Hi, we are doing trigonometrical ratios. If cosec theta is root 5, find the value of 2 minus sine square theta minus cos square theta. And second one is 2 plus 1 by sine square theta minus cos square theta by sine square theta. Right? Now we know cosec theta is root 5. So what is cosec? Cosec theta is reciprocal of sine theta. And what is sine theta? P by h, right? So cosec will be h by p. Now h by p is root 5. Fine. So nothing is at the bottom. That means it's 1. So what is h? H is root 5x and p is 1x. So using Pythagoras theorem, we will find base. We will find the base. That is b square is h square minus p square using the Pythagoras theorem. So b square is b square only. H square के जगह we will write root 5x square minus 1x square. So this will become 5x square minus 1x square, that is 4x square. Square is 4x square. So what is b? b is 2x, square root of 4x square. So you got b. Now what we have to find? We have to find 2 minus sine square theta minus cos square theta. The first one is 2 minus sine square theta minus cos square theta. Right? What is sine square theta? It is reciprocal of cosec square theta. Right? So instead of sine square theta, we can even write 1 by cosec square theta minus cos square theta. And cosec, we know the value of cosec. Cosec is root 5. So 1 by root 5 का square minus cos square. Cos square is what? b by h whole square. So this will become 2 minus 1 by 5 minus what is base? That is 2x what you found, and the hypotenuse was root 5x ka whole square. This x and x will get cancelled. What you are left with? 2 minus 1 by 5 minus 4 by 5. Right? Now this is no denominator means 1. We'll solve it. The LCM will become 5. This will become 1 into 5 and then 2 also with 5. 10 minus 1 minus 4. That is 10 minus 1 minus 4 will become 5 by 5. This is 1. Now here I'll tell you one more thing, that is using the identity. Second way. Second method. But you have not learned that in your syllabus. So you may not be able to use it, but I'll tell you, this is the thing we have to find. So taking minus outside, this will become sine square theta plus cos square theta, and this is an identity that sine square theta plus cos square theta is always 1. So what will this become? 2 minus 1, that is 1. Fine. Now we will take the second one. What is the second one we have to find? That is 2 plus 1 by sine square theta. Just a sec. Yes. Minus cos square theta by sine square theta. Fine. 1 by sine square theta is cosec square theta, because cosec is the reciprocal of sine, and cos square theta by sine square theta is cot square theta. How come this is cot square theta? We know sine theta by cos theta is tan theta. We have learned this in our syllabus. So cos tan theta का reciprocal is cot theta. So 1 by cot theta is equal to tan theta. So what will this be? If you are reciprocating this side, this will also be reciprocated. That is cos theta by sin theta will become 1 by tan theta, and 1 by tan theta is cot theta, right? So cos square theta plus by sin square theta is equal to cot square theta. Fine. Sin theta by cos theta is tan theta, and tan theta is reciprocal of 1 by cot theta, right? 1 by cot theta. So cos theta by sin theta is 1 by tan theta. You are reciprocating both. this cos को ऊपर लेके जा रहे हो, sin को, तो tan को नीचे लेके आएंगे, 1 by tan theta which is cot theta. So cos square theta by sin square theta is cot square theta. So this will be 2 plus cosec square theta. This will become 2 plus cosec square theta minus cot square theta. So let's find cot square theta. Cosec we already know, it's given there in the sum. So we will find what we will find. We will find cot square theta. What is cot square theta? Right? Tan theta is base by perpendicular by base. So cot theta will be base by perpendicular. And what is the base we found out over here? Base was, let's see up, 2x. And what was the perpendicular? 1. Right? So this will be 2x by 1x. इसका स्क्वायर कर देंगे क्योंकि it is cot square theta. This will become cot square theta is 4. So 2 plus cosec square theta was there given in the sum. Cosec square theta will be 5 because cosec theta was root 5. It was given. It is given. Cosec theta is root 5 given. So cosec square theta का root 5 का square हो जाएगा plus cot square theta is 4. Right? So it is minus 4. Sorry, it's minus cot square theta. So this will be 2 plus 5 minus 4. Right? So this will turn out to be 3. This is how we will do this sum.